or 8 years. I mean, we 4 years. Now you start to swab you know we now a several second term. No, when 8 years. Within all these blocks, no, the first 4 years, no, the final lap of election year, no, so can be. So ultimately, no, so why projects are or who kinds of commission? But you ask yourself, say, project no commissioning, should it be at the latter embers and as a time of election as your commissioner? Fundamentally, development, ye tuaba said ye be yamudim puntu bebre. Part of it, infrastructural development, but. When do you start?
Akoma
Swami, omo ye interchange wana. Swami, and I the cost of your friend say.
Swami interchange.
I interchange you. He said then inter building and I said omuguso ye.
Is omuguso
19 inter projects. He said but just to say this. What about 8 years? Why do you wait the last year? After na a project like this. But I'll tell you this: the reason why our parties, yes, and it's especially in their strongholds, area and go for no tattoo abama or no, a year na one more the weapon up sentiments, one more the resume more passion, a sense of euphoria, and that's one man for Niaje. Say the Mutumaya down, Mutumaya baby.
Yeah, so that has been the message now.
It Sana Koye.
Yeah.
It Brano, baby, uncle for no two abafan. Say nkofo no adwene mu ye won say anhwe ya no wanto aba na ma wonum ana say wo mo pie kura nkoto aba voter party enu ntino yenko ye biribi kakra yenko sato pitin bi mfengu kwan so yenko grade kwan bi so ne ade no mu hunu say yaba ya ye die mu ye beboa mu ye be bibi ama wo mu na afei wo mu asan Kenya wo mu bi the agenda ni say wo mu yama wo mu ntine fie na mum eda ye to aba no wo mu akoto aba no e de ama wo no se de ya wo ta ye no no a de make se de ya wo ta ye no no a no iti for example Ashanti region wo mu eta to aba e de ma MPP se wo mu anto aba na ma MPP kura no a no mu se wo mu ntoma wo betene fie wo mu koto ma NDC na obetene fie ama NDC appreciate in percentage margin there ene ye beba be ye stupid thing e de amamo se de be ya mo so mo be ye mo benya nkranhye bi na mo pie akoto aba so in many ways no e ya de a wo mo take your man for no opa for granted but at least it works for them from time to time because mo to we pay up on my sentiment the discerning voter sees it as vote buying. Now vote buying, no, what will be a war more primary so my ye Ghana ha. Almost 2 delegates no fan as or munina. It is cash envelope, ye primaries never by election never. Almost 2 votes throughout. You see it. It the kingmakers within the MPP, no, the kingmakers within the NDC, no, vote buying a coso. I am money craft. We need to resolve that question of vote buying. Say young koto or man for vote today. Well, we are journalists here. We are special voting here. The question I ask is, say, would you be easily bought by any MPP or NDC?
No.
So it's a question we all must answer. Say it, so obi ebeso buawa last minute no we no. After no be try so be resuscitate one. So we should not allow the political parties to do that. And say more kwan. Yes sir. Because yes sir, what disrespect or man for no. Unfe buo ni ni die mfa ma man for no. Oh. Opese wo bua me. Opese wo nyam akra. Ya to aba man say develop or mine no. Ya to aba man say form government. Provide leadership. E dey na leadership here. Leadership e no ma mienu. Leadership influencing a effective change. What type of influence and within the 4 years or 8 years, for both parties, leaders, influence or man could do it. What type of change am effective? It the last minute, your friend is saying commissioning in the idea. Is it affecting any positive change in terms of the development of Ghana? These are critical questions. I see to me here, no idea. Because one more the real kingmakers are one more to any siang for one more to aba Emma ye Ghana for the can for no ankasano and pedo no one who say we are tiny. Oh yes,
But who how omo embraces adie na media omo de J
baby so go Ashanti region nkurase ne other areas ne ya nipa do no ato abade ma NPP iti no nkofo no se omo ni nje ya omo adwa omo afie de grade abesi kwan so a man to election ebusu afa be fie e grade kwan yo mo catch omo se mu pie meto aba omo ba be yesa iti omo volunteer ase and omo gina so de yesa. The politicians have studied us. Almost study ye hunu said ye sit here. And your ma omo ya omo betumi de nya yen. Nti nya se nkro no mo bo. Wo mu nim de omo ye. Menye twi nya do a wo mu nim de omo ye. But sabri ya ye ka say ya. Afin ye commission project. How many days to election? O man pani baba commission projects that time we. And on commission e de no. So am de no so nka ho. I don't know whether you understand the point I'm trying to advance.
So I'm the end of
they be on commission because
yes,
on commission.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Because that would have been a major significant project.
Yeah.
I be added to the fortunes of the MPP. A whole region, a Tuabadema, we Kumasi votes. We are Bantima. Tetelonia go to Florida.
Yes.
Bantima.
Yeah.
Florida, that Florida is a Bantima ba. Obia be betray Bantima.
Hong Kong
to bomb one just be bia so. Now wo be ye interchange, wo be ye last minute and na wo be ye say wo be this adwuma we. It means it's a what omo carry o manfo no. Wo mo esusu wo no. Ehun so manfo no. Wo mo tato abadema wo no no. Ade akitu bi ana so omo ani. Na ada bia na aso wonu mani ebema wo mu apie abeto aba. But I'll tell you this, quite often in the 8 year no ya na ntan work in the 8 year no ya na a provoke o manfo.
Okay.
Oh yes, and you know it's very critical, and I tell you say this may hurt the campaign of Bawumia, the Akufo-Addo you know, it may hurt the campaign of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Sa commissioning no amu ye no.
How?
It may.
How?
The mention say one more year to anisi ahenfo no one more share issue voting one more share MDC ni MPP and Tuaba no one more share based on issues one more share what is realistic say ya say matuaba ma 4 years now open say we develop me now we develop o mine now the development at the bar won train e ma e da ya kotuaba na otumienu na otwe miensa bosume ba ko ne bosume mienu e na wo be commission projects wo be free projects as 6 months to election. Even though we agree the government is a continuum no, some of these things could have been done earlier. Sanuma ye no ke be betumi afrase entem
87.9.
oh they me pa kire no it omanfo a wo mu susu se empuntu onti ne wo to aba no na eye mpuntu a eye real impuntu sisi ayi mo create impression say abato no yetoma mo mo beto adwumedi no so. The question is that what is the guarantee say mun dan to na edu the next election no masamba ka say yeto so. So people who believe in development in real time you know will not accept this. And the American say Sankofo we no eye to an ni si ahenfo a wo mo Ghana na maka watch Greater Accra Central Region our flirting allegiance we say na no adom to mame
the swing
regions no mesa to ama obi wa omo no enye do change pre generation of their vote the service e kan Central Region e kan Greater Accra wo he buru Accra na we say ekosi ade we say ade no aye KV amabinom. It is very important for them to appreciate the fact to say Ashanti region votes. Yes, we've seen some consistent margin over time, 70% plus near. But the reality of the matter is say the decider of victory for national elections, no, and Ashanti region, as you would see, the Ashanti region no, are consistent behind the MPP, win or lose. What you are saying? The deciding factor of the election no, will not necessarily be Ashanti region. However, say MPP in the upper to Ashanti region because Omanfo no need te efasa na da no ho they are going to suffer a lot on the 7th of December. A very critical issue they have to look at it. And I'll tell you this. Ashanti Region, what do they come to the table with? At the end of the EBA table, no. For years, almost about the MPP. You analyze the MPP governments from Akufo-Addo so many tutu me boy. You analyze it. What the size of development I provided for Ashanti Region. We see can now be Kumasi. I know how the Kumasi. It is very significant to say. And so a man for no, you call you no or we evolve. Oh, you talked about evolution.
Yeah.
A man for no echo anymore. Woman tia see echo anymore. After no na issue voting about. Obo okra ni fear the MPP ne twa ne mfuruma. But me catch no e dano so a umpien kotoaba. And nothing as a special vote when you this region, however, whether there will be apathy or commitment. But I'll tell you this.
Akoma FM.
But we see it from the media also. You know media also. I heard the posture of the media over time kakra. Now you see the election day no you become kakra. And you understand some of the dynamics.
Me that say in fact me nua ba